Hey there everybody, Adam with Front Range Storm Contractors here. We're in Aurora, Colorado, as you can see behind me on a concrete tile roof here. Just removing and replacing a few of the tiles that are on this roof. I just want to show you a quick video of how to remove a tile if you don't want to break the tile. So, here's the tools that we're going to need. Here's the tile we're going to remove. Alright, so basically every tile that's up here is held into place by one nail, and most concrete tiles have a nail hole here and here, and then some of them have a third one in the middle that are kind of prefabbed into the tile so that the installers don't break it when they actually do put a nail in. But they usually but it's only required by code to have one nail in there. So what you want to do is figure out which hole it's in. And on this roof, the other tiles I've seen, which have only been 2 so far, the nail was over here. So that's what I'm going to check first. I'm going to lift this one up to see if there's a nail underneath there. Alright, well, trying not to get the other one. It's next to it. So, can you guys see with the light? Nope, sorry, looking into the sun, so we can't really see that, but there is a nail underneath that side. So what I'm going to do then is take my hammer and prop this one up like that so that I can get to the nail with my pry bar and just loosen it a little bit, try to get it out of there. Got it pretty loose, but not a ton of clearance there, so I couldn't get it all the way out with the pry bar. What I'm going to do is just use my fingers, and there, it actually came out pretty easily. So there's the nail. Now that we've got that removed, I'm just going to set it aside. We'll get it later. So this tile's no longer attached, but it is kind of being held in place by the weight of this one and those ones up there. So what I'm going to do is lift this one up. It's next to it. And I'm just going to put some weight on this with my foot to keep this one up. I'm going to take the hammer out so that I'll release this one, and I'm going to move it over to this one here. Actually, let me move that first, then I'll come back here and lift this one up. So let's take my pry bar, lift this one up, and notice when I lift this one up, it kind of catches the other one, so I can pull the hammer out. Oh, I didn't quite give myself enough clearance there, so I'll just move the pry bar over a little bit. Wedge the hammer in. Okay. So now, the weight of these two are on this one. And I'm going to lift this one up again like I showed you previously, so that this one should just pull right out. And there it goes. One intact piece of concrete roofing tile that's no longer on the roof. Okay, then we're just going to let these ones go in reverse order there. Pull that one out. Use it to prop this one up while I pull the hammer out. And then let those ones back down. All right, have a good one, everybody.